Increase £17,721.45 by 17.5%. So I'm going to have a look using a bar. So increase means that we start off with 100% and we're adding on 17.5%. So altogether, 100 add 17.5 is 117.5%. I need to turn that into my decimal multiplier. So we know 117.5 per 100%, so that's it as a fraction. And I know that a fraction is a division, so 117.5 divided by 100. I can put that into my place value table. So I've got 117.5 divided by 100 means I need to move it 2 spaces. So that's going to become 1.175. So remember, what we were trying to find was 117.5% of 17721.45. That's what we were trying to find because that was our percentage after the increase. I've turned it into my decimal multiplier, so it's 1.175. Of in maths is times 17721.45. I can pop that on my calculator now. So 1.175 times 17721.45, and I get 20,822. I'm going to round it to pounds 70, and it was pounds. There's my answer. I don't need to put any other digits after that because you don't have anything smaller than a pence. So it's going to be, that's my 70 pence. So £20,822.70. Decrease £92,482.92 by 28%. So again, if I look at this as a bar, I originally have 100%. But this time I'm decreasing, so I'm taking away. So I'm going to put my bar underneath. So I'm taking away 28% of that. I'm taking away that. So what have I got left? So that's 100 take away 28, which is 72%. So actually what I'm trying to find is 72% of £92,482.92. So before I can do that, I need to turn 72% into a decimal multiplier. So 72%, so it's 72 out of 100. A fraction is a division, so that's 72 divided by 100. Use my place value table. So 72, there's my decimal point, there's my decimal point. I'm dividing by 100, so that's 2 spaces. And it's going to be 0.72. So I'm actually doing 0.72 of in maths is times 92482.92. Let's have a go at putting that on a calculator. 0.72 times 92482.92, and I end up with 66,587 £70 rounded to the nearest pence, and it's pounds.